Well, hello there again. Welcome back to another episode of Dumb Stuff with Matt. Tonight, we're going to work on these rear lateral trailing arms, whatever you want to call them. We're going to break them down, clean them up, pop the bushings, paint them, put the bushings back in. That'll be tonight's job. I'm a little under the weather. I got a case of something I can't give back. It's been a few miserable days. Today was the first day I've been able to actually do anything other than lay in bed. So let's get to it here. If you guys watched the previous videos, I've got a pretty good system for popping these out. It worked on the front. Let's see if it works for the rear ones. So what I like to use is this here. Oh boy. 7/32 socket. Yep, that one. And you're going to take it and put it right in here. Just like that. Then we're going to take our little clampy thing. Oh crap. Hang on, I forgot the other side. Okay, this appears to be working already, but we'll see. Worst case, I got to hammer them out. Not a big deal. I just keep pressing, popping. It's already starting to bend. That's not gonna work for us today. Oh, maybe. Nope, did not work. Okay, so we go to the old hammer style. Good enough. All right, well, I'm gonna put you guys on Hyperloop so you can see me beat the hell out of this thing, and then hopefully get this bushing out right here, this little fella. Then we got to break that free and get that bushing out. So off to fast mode. All right, well, the hammer approach worked definitely way better this round. See, both bushings are already popped, the mount's already off, the bar is completely bare. We got number 2 here. I'm going to knock it out real quick and actually leave you guys on so you can see it this time instead of me being an idiot and not pressing the record button. So, big socket on the bottom, 6mm right in there. Out she comes. A little bit of grip action to get the bushing freed. Step over here to this side. Tell you what, I haven't worked on the ground in a while. That cold that's kicking my ass all of a sudden seems to be coming back with a vengeance. Was doing okay. Now I'm kind of lightheaded. Okay, same as before. Big socket, little socket, thwap. And there we have bushings out. So, simple enough, right? Up next, I'm going to wire wheel those arms, wire wheel those mounts, paint them, and then we'll let them dry. I'll bring you in when I'm ready. We have our arm, and I've got a standard old wire wheel on my impact, and I'm just going to go like this all the way around. This will take me a few minutes, guys, so I'm going to put you on Hyperloop. That way you don't have to listen to this impact go for 45 minutes. Look at that already looking better. Oh yeah, these are savable. Well, our wire wheeling is done. Makes quite a mess. What I do next, take some 3M red, just scuff it up good. We're not trying to get it all the way down to bare metal. These aren't, this isn't a show car or anything. If you are doing that, then you may want to find a different way, perhaps aircraft remover or, some other heavy duty chemical. So you see I'm just rubbing them down, getting, roughing up the surface a little bit. What we're using for paint today is going to be a rust solvent and then oil based over this. Kind of essentially tractor paint. It's just going to last a little bit longer, hopefully stick better. So, then rub down with that. Up next, I grabbed a towel. I did not. One of these days, guys, I'm going to be prepared for one of these. I'm telling you. Okay. Up next, a wee bit of acetone on a towel. Drip, 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 right through the towel, like always. And we're just going to wipe those arms down with acetone. That takes up all the oils and fingerprints and such. If you don't know what acetone is, you might be watching the wrong channel maybe. I use it for everything. Takes tar off cars, scuffs off paint, bubble gum, seats. It is a very worthwhile chemical to have around. See, I'm hanging these. That is so I can spin them while I'm painting, or I can walk around them while I'm painting. I don't have to do this in 2 coats. Just put her down thick, call it good. Okay, so both arms hung. Next, we've got the Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. Ta-da! Oh, hey, oh, oh, oh. And off to the races we go. Okay, we're just going to start with a nice light coat. Oh, also, when you're doing this kind of things, make sure your wife's favorite inflatable is in the same room, because the overspray. She'll love it, I promise. Get the other side. Make sure we got the bottom. Inside edge, top edge, backwards edge, upside down edge. Okay, I like that one. Okay. Looking good. A little bit of drip starting, that's okay. All right. While we wait for those to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get the mounts over here, get them painted. You guys don't have to see me do that part. They're looking pretty decent, nice and dry. Let's give them a coat of some color. Now, I chose the most basic, boring color because I've already rebuilt the front of this, and this is the same can I used for that. Got the old Duplicolor in Jerry. So let's throw a few coats of this on, see how it turns out. Officially YouTube rebuild. Okay, and for you, you get the same treatment. Yep. And let's let them see how they turn out. Now, while we wait for it to dry, let's spruce this up a little bit, shall we? Got some of this rust repair in a can again. Let's just give her a little bit of love. Adjust that there camera. It's tough to do. I applaud all you YouTuber guys. Now you'll notice I expertly cleaned this before it's coating. That's to maximize the stickiness of the paint. Look at that. Look at that. She looks like a brand new car. I probably could have wire wheeled that, I suppose. But what fun would that be? Alright, now we just wait for more stuff to dry, I guess. Don't really have much else to do tonight. It is only Wednesday. Alright, we'll let it dry. They're still hanging there sticky. Well, our paint's dry. Obviously it's the next day. Let's start reassembly here. If you look at the old bushings, they were definitely tired, wore out, and kind of a pain to get that new style in. So someone came up with these beauties. These are the poly versions of those same bushings, significantly easier to install, and supposedly last forever. So let's get these put in real quick. It's pretty simple. Yoink. Whoa. Yoink. Yoink. Done. Simple as that. Grab the other ones. Press her in. Press her in. Yoink. Done. Okay, so let's get both of those done. About time for a new table out here, guys. Done a lot of good work on this table. Well, what's the deal with you, sir? There we go. Nope, didn't like that. Uh-oh, now I've done it. Must be something in there you didn't like. Nope. Okay, it went in that way. There we go. That's better. Also, guys, we may have a bit of a bear putting these back together again, because I didn't keep track of which one is which. So, reinstallation is going to be real fun. I hope it's not. But, so yeah, that's what they look like finished up. They slide right on the bottom of the car. We're obviously not ready to reinstall them yet. We have significant more work to get done. But, it's all about the little things, right? Up next on this evening's projects, I think we're going to go ahead and hang the shocks over here. May go ahead and hang our arms just to get our table cleared back off. Something else to remember if you're following me along here, these are body shims. You can see here there's 4. On this car there was 4 on the passenger side and 5 on the driver's side. I'm doing this to give my alignment guy a fighting chance. I'm also going to run and take these bolts to the hardware store. See if we can't find some that are a little more shiny, I guess we'll call it. So, I guess we're going to call it here and get after it a little bit later. When did you guys get here? Just kidding. I got all my hardware. Now, obviously, you can't just get these bolts at the hardware store, but I was nice enough to at least replace the nuts. For the arms, of course, in typical fashion, I'd already started working before I grabbed the camera. You can see the arms that have come out here and connect with the uprights. New hardware, washers and all. I think we're going to call the end of this one here. I've got some stuff going on tonight, and I still have to edit this one, so I'm still going to try to shoot for my Friday update. So, again, guys, we appreciate you stopping in. If you like what you see, if you're following along, put it in the comments, subscribe, do the clicky thing. Yeah, we appreciate it, guys. We'll talk to you later.